Hey guys, how y'all doing? Shantae McLean here, back again with another video for you guys. How is it going? Hope you are having a wonderful day. Me myself, I'm doing pretty good, getting some videos done, so having a pretty good day so far. All right, guys, let's hop right into it. So again, I am back with more about my six-figure blueprint. I made a couple videos talking about a little bit about the system and some of the levels. My last video was about the six-figure feeder. I'm now going to go into detail about the six-figure marketing system and the six-figure blueprint itself. Okay, so I'm going to finish up my overview of the rest of the system. Okay, because I told you it's three parts: the six-figure feeder, the six-figure marketing system, and the six-figure blueprint. So here we go. We're going to dive right into it. Next is the six-figure marketing system. Okay. As I stated, the six-figure feeder is $15 to get started. The six-figure blue marketing system is $150 to get started. Now, what you get with this marketing system is free access to the six-figure feeder. So if you come in and instead of you getting the feeder, you go straight to the marketing system and pay the $150, you automatically get the access to the six-figure feeder and what comes with it as well. You also get access to the company's traffic rotator. I forgot to tell you guys about that. The system has a rotator, okay? For the 150 and the 300 level, there is a rotator, and you get access to join the rotator when you start at the $150 level. The main page of the company site, the six-figure blueprint main page, you know how some companies, when you come in on the main page, and let's say that you don't know who to join, so you just say, I'm gonna go to the company's page and just join on there. Well, a lot of times when you do that, the owner is the one who gets the sign up. Well, with this company, when you go to the main page, it's gonna say, don't have a sponsor or don't know who to join, click here. And when they click this button, it's in a rotator, and it's going to rotate to the next person in line in the rotator. So basically, when you join at the 150, when you put in your link in the rotator, you have a chance of getting chosen. If someone goes to the main page and click find somebody to join, they may join you because your link is in the rotator. So that's basically what it is. That main page rotates. So if someone come in and click on it and say, I'm looking for somebody to join, it's going to rotate to the whoever's in line in the rotator. So that's what that's for. Let's see, where did I leave off? Okay, you're gonna get customizable capture pages. Let me tell y'all something. These are some nice capture pages. This marketing system is crazy. I joined the marketing system. It is wonderful. I love it. And the capture pages are awesome. Okay, you get customizable bridge pages. You get the ability to create 3 contact lists, build 3 different email lists. You get a 30-day follow-up series. So you get an autoresponder with it, and it already has the 30-day follow-up series in it. You get customizable autoresponder. You get the ability to add a third-party autoresponder. So if you have your outside autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, any of those third-party ones, you can actually add your third party to that one. It's to the one we have as well. You have the ability to send 1 broadcast message per week. And you also are going to get access to the best paid traffic resources that the company recommend. Okay. So you get all this with the marketing system plus what comes with the feeder. So I love this. I love the marketing system so far. I joined it yesterday. I got started with yesterday. I'm loving it. Everything that they say on here, you get. So no, nothing shady. You get everything they tell you. All right. So this is how the conversation plan breaks down for the marketing system. Now, before you saw the feeder where it was $5, $5, $5, $5, $10, $15. You join for 15. 15 is broke down to 3 people. Same with the 150. It is 50, 50, 50. So 50, 100, 150. 50 goes to your direct line, the tier 1. So basically, if someone joins me, if I sign, let's say whoever looking at this, y'all sign up under me. On your when you sign up under me, when you get your first I'm sorry, let me rephrase that. Let me use me as an example. When I joined yesterday, when I joined the marketing system, I paid the person who I signed up under, Chris, got the $50 for I signed under his link. So I came in under Chris, he gets $50. Then whoever Chris joined under gets $50. So basically, my sponsor got 50, his sponsor got 50, and then the company gets 50. So that's how that works. So when you come into the business, whoever you sign up, you will get $50 for them and get $50 for every person that they bring in if they're at the marketing system level. Basically, you have to be at this level to get paid at this level. So basically, if I was still at the feeder level and someone came in under the marketing system, I wouldn't get paid. I would only get money if people join me in the feeder system. And it's the same way with the marketing system. If you got if you're upgraded to the marketing system level, you'll get those payments when someone comes in at the marketing system. But if you are not, you won't get that money. That sale will pass up to your sponsor or whoever is at that level. All right, so 50 again, 100, and then 50 more dollars. So you'll pay your first line, your second line, and then the owner. Okay, that's how that works. So when you go in the system, you should be sending 3 different cash apps or 3 different Zelles or however you choose to pay the person that you're paying. You're gonna do 3 different payments, but it'll all add up to 150. Okay. So just an example, if you were to get a realistic 10 direct signups, that would be 10 people times 50, totaling 500. Our system will automatically place you in the leverage line on those 10 partners reseller websites. So then let's say that the first 10 people get 10 people each, right? That's 100 sales times 50. That is $5,000 on autopilot. I don't know about y'all, but that sounds doggone good to me. All right. Next, I'm gonna go over the actual 6-figure blueprint. This is the top dog. This is the $300, soon to be $400 system. Okay. This is the last one. This is the 6-figure blueprint. What you get with the 6-figure blueprint is you get free access to the feeder and the marketing system. So you will get access to everything. Basically, joining at the 300 gives you everything. It's $300 to come in at this level. Like I say, it's going to 400 June 1st. So you get everything with this system, the feeder and the marketing system automatic. You get access to the 6-figure library. So there's 100 plus digital courses in there that is teaching you about marketing and making money and passive income. So 100 digital courses, that is a lot of courses to sit and study, but you got access to all of that. You get done for you ad copy and banner images. Okay. You also get postcard templates. Postcard marketing has really taken off now. So a lot of people are doing postcard marketing. So you get a template that will allow you to promote this using postcard marketing. And the ability to upgrade it at $1,000 through that back end opportunity I was telling y'all about in the earlier video. I think it's called the Resellers Club. I don't know a whole lot about it. I just know you can earn $1,000 commission if someone signs up under you. I think it's like $11.97 to get started, but I don't know a whole lot about it. All right, with this system, it works a little bit different. Right now at the $300 level, whoever like, so if someone joins if I sign up someone and I'm at the $300 level, I will get $300. The person that brought me in, my sponsor, would get 50, and the company owner will get 50. So that's basically the same way as the other. It's basically how it works. So if you were to get a realistic 10 direct signups, that would be 10 people times 300, totaling $3,000. Remember, our system automatically places you in the leverage line on those 10 partners reseller website. Then let's say the first 10 people get 10 people each. That's 100 sales times 50, which is 5,000 on complete autopilot. Again, you can't beat that with a wooden spoon. So yeah, with this system, you're gonna get the 300. That's if you're on this level, you're gonna get that payment. That you'll get your $300 commission, and then whoever brought you in will get 50. So that's pretty much it. Those are the 3 systems that you can come in. I highly recommend you definitely come in where you can fit in. But if you can get this marketing system or the overall 6-figure blueprint, it will work out for you better because you're getting the opportunity to make more money. It's nothing wrong with getting $5 payments, but if you want that walk away from your job kind of life-changing income, you know what I'm saying? You'll try to get it the biggest package you can get so that you can get opportunity to make more money, as much as you can. All right. Well, that's pretty much my whole review of the six-figure blueprint. I broke all of it down for you. And check out my next video. I'll be talking to you more about the six-figure blueprint. If you're interested in getting started, please, I ain't even asked y'all to like my page and comment. Please, I'm rusty. It's been a minute since I did this. If you're watching this on YouTube, can you please give your girl a like and comment on my page? Hopefully I'm doing a good job. Or if you have any questions, comment and ask me questions or whatever you need to do. But I hope this helped you make a decision if you've been watching the six-figure blueprint and want to try and decide if you want to, get in it. I highly recommend it. So take a stab at it, get in and go ahead and learn how to make this extra income. I'm sure nowadays with stuff being so high, we could all use it. So if you decide that you want to join under me, check the description in the YouTube description, and I have my link there. Or if you see this on Facebook or whatever, check the comments and either put info in the comments or check the comments for my link or inbox me, and I'll definitely get you the information. Y'all have a great day and talk to you again soon. Bye.